Every powerful fighter jet begins as an idea of vision shaped on a design table, where every line defines the future. From raw metal to a structured frame, each section is built with absolute precision. Every joint calculated, every surface refined for speed and strength. Wings are formed to cut through the air. The body takes shape to handle extreme forces. And the cockpit becomes the control center, where man and machine connect. Advanced sensors and radar systems are installed, giving the jet awareness beyond human sight. Then comes the heart, the engine, bringing life, power, and unstoppable energy. Weapons and systems are integrated, balance is perfected, and every final check ensures there is no room for error. The jet moves, breathes, and prepares, rolling toward the runway with purpose. Engines roar, the ground falls away, and what once was an idea now dominates the sky as the JF-17 Thunder, ready, powerful, and unmatched.
Subscribe for more military videos.